Google recently updated its Google Chrome app with the Circle to Search feature for iPhone. It allows you to circle any image or text and perform a quick search. Here's how to use Google's Circle to Search feature on your iPhone. To use Google Circle to Search on your iPhone, first, ensure that you have installed Google Chrome. If you have it installed already, make sure you have updated it to its latest version. Now, launch Google Chrome and browse the web as you do. Once you find something you want to learn more about, click the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner and tap on the search screen with Google Lens option. Now, circle with your finger on top of the text or image you want to search for, and Google will instantly perform the search and give you relevant information. If you find yourself using this feature frequently, I recommend you move it to the top of the list. Tap the three-dot menu and then on the Customize menu button. Hold and drag the search screen with Google Lens menu item to the top and tap the Done button to save changes. Next time you want to perform Circle to Search, the option will be at the top. And that's about does it for this video. If you like this guide, click here to learn how to use ChatGPT with Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.